When installing Nichiha's architectural wall panels, your project may have an inside corner. This video will show you some tips on how to install our panels for an inside corner using a single flange sealant backer. With your starter flashing and starter track in place, you're ready to install your panels for an inside corner. The first step is to determine which side of the wall you want your inside corner caulk joint exposed. For demonstration purposes, we'll assume the right portion of our wall is the main face of our building. Therefore, we'll want our caulk joint on the adjacent wall so it's more hidden and out of the line of sight. The single flange sealant backer gives you the option to turn it either way depending on where you want your caulk joint. To begin, you'll start with the first panel on the wall where the caulk joint will not be exposed. Simply place the bottom shiplap of your first panel onto the starter track and slide the panel until it reaches the inside corner of the wall. Be sure the shiplap is cut off the end of the panel and sealant is applied as described in our video, Tips for Installing Panels. Once the panel is fully butted up against the corner of the wall, fasten with ultimate clips into each stud. Next, install the single flange sealant backer to the wall by pressing it against the installed panel and fastening it every 12 inches. Make sure the single flange is in line with the bottom edge of the panel to ensure you have a full sealant joint. Continue fastening the single flange up the wall using a laser level to ensure it's straight. With your single flange in place and your next panel's end shiplap cut off and sealed, place the bottom shiplap of the panel onto the starter track and slide it until it reaches the single flange sealant backer with moderate contact. Attach this panel to the wall with ultimate clips and the bottom course of your inside corner is complete. Notice how the caulk joint is out of the line of sight when looking at the main face of our demonstration wall. Continue installing panels into your inside corner until you've reached your top row of your wall. To complete your wall, see our video titled Tips for Completing Top Course. For more information about Nichiha's architectural wall panels, visit nichiha.com.